Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. These are the CVS deals for the week of April 26th. My first deal is the Skintimate disposables. These are on sale for $5.99 each. I got 3 of those, so my total would be $17.97. We have a $3 off of one Skintimate manufacturer coupon from coupons.com. I used 3 of those, and along with that I have a $4 off of 2 CVS CRT for the Skintimate disposables. After all those coupons, I paid $4.97 and I got back $5 in ECB, which makes them free. My next deal is the Tresemme and L'Oreal Elvive. I combined this deal just because of the CVS CRTs that I have. Tresemme, they are on sale 2 for $15, and when you buy 2, you will get $5 back as an ECB. And L'Oreal, they are on sale 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you will get $3 back as an ECB. My total is $23 for purchasing 4 of these. I have a $4 off of $18 CVS CRT for the shampoo and conditioners. Along with that, I have a $2 off of 2 CVS Tresemme CVS CRT. We do have a $5 off of 2 Tresemme manufacturer coupon, so I used one of that. And along with that, we have a $3 off of 2 L'Oreal manufacturer coupon from coupons.com. I used the paper coupon. Along with that paper coupon, we have a L'Oreal digital coupon came through as well. So after all the coupons, I paid $6 and I got back $5 in ECB for the Tresemme and $3 in ECB for the L'Oreal. So it would be like $2 money maker for buying this. My next deal is the Maybelline. Maybelline, when you buy 2, you will get $6 back as an ECB. These Maybelline Baby Lips, they are on $4.79 each. My total is $9.58. We have a $5 CVS CRT coupon. If you scan your card at Redbox Mission today, you will get a $5 instant coupon. I just have that Maybelline coupon, that's all. I don't have any other coupons. So I used that $5 CVS CRT. My total is $4.58. I paid $4.58 in ECB and I got back $6 in ECB, which is a $1 money maker for buying this Maybelline. My next deal is the Colgate mouthwash and Colgate toothpaste. These Colgate mouthwash, which are 500 ml, they are on sale for $3.99 each, and when you buy one, you will get $2 back as an ECB. This is of limit 2. It means that you can buy 2 and you can get $4 back as an ECB. I combined this deal along with the Colgate deal, which is a different deal. Select Colgate toothpaste. They are on sale for $3.49 each. And when you buy 2, you will get $4 back as an ECB. This is also of limit 2. So you can buy 4 of them and you can get back $8 in ECB. So I picked 2 of these Colgate mouthwashes, which is $3.99 each. So my total is $7.98. Plus I got 4 of these Colgate toothpaste, which are $3.49 each. So my subtotal is $13.96. So $7.98 plus $13.96, which is $21.94. I have a $5 off of 20 Colgate CVS CRT. I used one of that. And along with that, we have a $1 off of 1 Colgate mouthwash manufacturer coupons from coupons.com. So I used 2 of those. It's a limit of 2, so we can use 2 of those. And for the Colgate toothpaste, we have a $1 off of 1 Colgate toothpaste manufacturer coupon, again from coupons.com. It's a limit of 4, so we can use 4 of them. So I used 2 of those $1 coupons and 4 of those $1 coupons, all from coupons.com. After all those coupons, my subtotal is $10.94. I paid $10.94 and I got back $8 in ECB for the Colgate toothpaste and $4 in ECB for the Colgate mouthwash. So it's like I paid $11 and I got back $12 in ECB. It's a $1 money maker. My next deal is the Listerine. Listerine, when you spend $10, you will get $5 back as an ECB. This is the Listerine Cool Mint mouthwash. It is 1 liter. And this is $6.99 each. and I picked one of this Listerine Ready tabs. These are $3.99 each. So my subtotal is $9.98 for both of these. I picked this $1 Listerine mouthwash just because we have a rebate for $5. You just have to submit your receipt either through phone or through web desktop. So you will get $5 back for buying this for buying this 1 liter of Listerine. So that's why I picked this Listerine along with this Ready tabs. So my subtotal is $9.98. I have a $2 off of $6 mouthwash coupon, which is a CVS CRT. So I used one of that. And we have a $1 off of one manufacturer coupon for this Listerine mouthwash and $1 off of one manufacturer coupon for this Listerine Ready tabs. So I used those two. My subtotal is $5.98 for both of these. I got back $5 in ECB and I committed for $5 rebate online. So after all the coupons and the rebates, it's a $4 moneymaker. My next deal is the pull-ups. These are on sale, buy one get one 50% off, and when you spend $30 on pull-ups or select Huggies, you will get $10 back as an ECB. This is of limit 1 per card, so you can do this deal only once. So I picked up 3 of these pull-ups, which is one would be $13.49 and the other one would be $6.74, which because buy one get one 50% off, and the other one is $13.49. So my subtotal is $33.72. I have a $4 off of 12 baby care CRT, which I used one of that. And along with that, I have a $1 off of one pull-ups coupons from the Huggies website. We do have a $2 manufacturer coupons from 4 or 6 smart source, it seems. I'm not sure. I don't have those manufacturer coupons, so I just had to print 3 of those from the Huggies website. So if you have those $2 manufacturer coupons, it would be great. I don't have them, so I used 3 of those $1 manufacturer coupons. After the 4 of 12 CRT and 3 of those $1 manufacturer coupons, I paid $26.72 at CVS. I got back $10 in ECB and $9 from the Ibotta. Right now, Ibotta is giving a $3 back in ECB for each of those Huggies pull-ups that you buy. It's a limit of 5. I got 3 pull-ups here, so I got $3 for each, which is $9. So I got back $9 from Ibotta. And I do have a Fetch rebate app. So from Fetch, if you scan your receipts, it will give you points, which you can buy gift cards or anything. So I got back $6 from the Fetch as well. After all the coupons, rebates, and Ibotta rebates and Fetch rebates, it's like getting it for $3. Since you have money makers from all these, it wouldn't matter for me because I paid in ECBs and I got back in ECBs, and I got back points from Fetch and Ibotta. It's overall, it's a money maker haul for me. That's all I have for today's video. If you like this content, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week.